Okay, so the last couple of weeks we've been doing a place value addition and subtraction, okay? We're gonna be working on multiplication. Okay, it says explore the meaning of multiplication. What is going on when you multiply numbers? Okay. Our learning target, okay, is to interpret products. Products is just a fancy word to say that it's the answer to a multiplication problem. That's called a product. Okay. Just complete the problems below. It says you can add to find the total number of objects in different groups. Okay. When the equal groups are equal, you can also multiply by finding the total. So look what it says for us to do. It says draw a picture, right, of 3 equal groups, okay, of 2 balloons. So how many groups am I going to need? 2. So how many groups am I going to need? 3 groups. How many groups though?
3.
2 or 3? You got to tell me.
3.
It says draw a picture of 3 equal groups. How many groups? 3. Okay. And I just did that. So what are you going to do? Great. Okay, 3 equal groups. And how many groups? How many balloons in each group?
2.
And then based on that, I should know how many. So how many balloons are there altogether? 6. Because I can go 2 plus 2 plus 2, or can I by 2 is 2, 4, 6, right? Okay. It says write an addition equation to represent the total your picture shows. Okay. I just did that. Here's my addition equation. Okay. So how many balloons in the first group? 2. Addition is plus. How many balloons in the second group? 2. How many groups in the third group? 2. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 should be 6. All right. Then it says complete the sentence to describe the equal groups in your picture. Okay, so we went like this, right? 3 groups with 2 each. And then we went 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6. Okay, then use those same numbers to complete the multiplication. So how many groups were there?
2.
How many groups were there? How many groups did I make? 3 of them. And how many in each group? 2. Okay, so the groups of means to multiply. So 3 times 2 should equal what? 6. 3 times 2 should equal 6. Whenever I'm multiplying by 2's, I just double the number because 3 plus 3 is 6, right? On page 64, it says you can model multiplication with equal groups. Circle the tennis balls to show 3 groups of 4 tennis balls. Huh. I need to circle on the tennis balls, right? All right, let's do this. Is that right? How many circles did I just make? I made 6 of them. But how many groups do I need in reality?
3.
I need 3. With how many balls in each circle or in each group? 4. So can I just do this? There's 1 group, 2, 3. Because it says 3 groups of 4 tennis balls each. Use a picture of equal groups above to show what the multiplication sentence means. Okay? It says 3 is a factor that tells how many. Okay? Okay, so how many groups do we make? 3. Okay? The equal sign means that these 2 is going to equal to 12. 12 is a product. Okay, product is just the answer to a multiplication question. Okay. Times I need the multiplication sign. I need to multiply. That's what that tells me. 4 is another factor, which tells how many are in each group. Okay. 3 is a factor that tells how many groups I have. The equal sign means in all, and the X means to multiply. So when you see 3 multiplied by 4 equals 12, you say 3 times 4 equals 12. You can also model multiplication with any array. Oh, so when they tell me equal groups, it's this. Okay? An array is just a waffle, just like when we do when you go to Google Classroom, you got to hit that waffle. That's called an array as well, because we have rows and columns. So at first we use a strategy equal groups, right? But now I could use a strategy of doing an array. An array is having columns, okay, and rows. It goes something like this. So for example, rows are the ones that are horizontal. Okay. So how many rows do I have in this example? 3. Columns are the ones that they go vertical, up and down like this. How many columns do I have? 4. Okay. So when I have 3 rows with 4 columns, how many tennis balls is that all together?
7. 12.
Okay, wait. 7? That means I have to count all the tennis balls, Jack. I'm not adding, I am multiplying. Look. See, multiplication. 3 times 4. See, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many tennis balls I have in all?
12.
12. So 3 times 4 is 12. Okay, you tell me what I should write for number 2. It says explain how you can write a multiplication equation for the picture. Okay, multiplication equation, right? Okay, it's not asking to do equal groups. It's not asking that. Okay, so when it says an equation, I have to have something, okay, multiplied by, because we're doing multiplication, right? Times something, then I have to have an equal sign times the product. Okay, so I need a factor times a factor equals the product. This would be my multiplication equation, Natalie. So how would I write this? How would I take the array and then go into multiplication equation? Anderson?
You would take the row. You would take those. You would take the row.
So how many rows is that?
2.
2. 1, 2.
Then you multiply how many columns.
And how many columns are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many do I have in all? Bradley? 12. Because 2 times 6 is 12. Or I could just count all the dots, right? It says draw a picture of 4 equal groups, right? Okay, with 3 buttons. So go ahead and do that. Do number 3. Just follow what it says. Draw a picture of 4 equal groups. And then it says of 3 buttons. Natalie? So it says draw 4 equal groups. Look. It says draw 4 equal groups. I can do circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many buttons in each group?
3.
3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's it. I'm done. That's all it asked me to do. Then it says write an addition equation. Addition equation. Okay, to represent the total picture, the total your picture shows. So how many in the first group? 3. And then it says addition, right? So I need a plus sign. How many in the second group?
3.
How many in the third group?
3.
How many in the fourth group?
3.
3. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 would be
12.
12. Just count all the circles. Then it says complete the sentence below. Okay. So how many groups did it ask me to make?
3.
How many groups?
3. 4.
Go back to number 3. How many groups did it ask me to make? 4 of them. How many in each group? 3. And what was the total? 12. So 4 times 3 equals 12. If I wanted to do an array, right? If I wanted to do an array, I would have how many rows? 4 of them. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, right? And then how many columns? 3. And that's it. That would be my array. Did it ask me to do this? No, it didn't. But this is just another strategy I could use to multiply 3 times 4, or 4 times 3 in this case.